Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to design a personalized itinerary in Canva step by step. First, click the Create button at the top of the screen. Then, in the text box that appears, type the word Itinerary. Select the itinerary file by clicking on it. This will allow us to proceed with the next steps in the process. This screen displays several itinerary timers you can use to manage your travel plans. Each timer is tailored for different trips or activities. Select the travel itinerary timer to view or adjust your schedule. With these tools, you can easily organize departure times, arrival details, and important travel milestones for a smooth journey. View the travel schedules displayed on the screen. To make changes, select the schedule you want to edit. You can update both the schedule details and the associated time. Double-click the text to edit it. You can also modify the dates by selecting them and entering your desired values directly in the fields. Once you're satisfied with your project, click the Share button at the top. Next, select Download from the menu. Choose your preferred file format, then confirm to start downloading your finished work. Choose either PDF Standard for smaller file sizes or PDF Print for higher quality printouts. Selecting PDF Print ensures the best results if you need to produce professional or high-quality printed documents. You've just learned how to make a sleek itinerary on Canva. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more design tips.